Okay, girls. This is it. This is the piece
present,
de
the big one.
resistance. So keep it closed until I say, right, keep it closed like this until I say open it. Okay? Keep it closed. And there's a little paper boat at the top. Okay? It might be just the paper boat. I don't know. But open it up. Pick out the paper boat on the top and see what it says.
We're going to San Diego today.
Read it again.
Wait, stop.
Read it again.
So we are going to San Diego today, and this is where we're staying.
Oh, open up the paper boat.
Well,
Open it up.
I can't. Oh, open this up?
No,
no,
open the
no,
paper
open the
boat
boat.
up.
Ah. We're not going to San Diego. Merry Christmas. We're going.
Open up the rest of your package.
What's it say? We're going to San Diego today, and this is where we're staying.
We are? We are?
Open it.
We're going?
Yeah.
Daddy! What is it?
That's your boarding pass to get on the plane.
Dad, we're really going?
We're going on a trip tonight. We gotta pack our suitcases today.
We're going on a
San
trip.
Diego, California. There's
Woo!
some